Welcome to N5 Grammar Lesson 11.
N5 文法授業11へようこそ。
After watching this video, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will be learning the basic usage of conjunctions that are required for JLPT N5. There are lots of usage of conjunctions, but we are only going to learn the three listed above. So we will be learning the
くて、で、
form conjunctions. They will be used for
名詞、
or nouns, and we will use the letter de when we are using them for nouns. And for
な形容詞、
or na adjectives, we will be using de. For
い形容詞、
or e adjectives, we will be using kute. Now let's start with
名詞、
or nouns. So the letter de can be used after a noun as a conjunction. An example would be
これは鉛筆です。あれはペンです。
when we want to connect these two sentences together, we will remove the desu here and add de instead. Then the sentence will become
これは鉛筆で、あれはペンです。
this means that this is a pencil and that is a pen. Another example would be
ここが今で、あそこが私の部屋です。
this means that this is the living room and that is my room. Now let's go to
な形容詞、
or na adjectives. So the te form of a na adjective is used as a conjunction. So the letter na is replaced by de.
先生は元気です。先生は優しいです。
So what we do here is we get rid of the desu and add de. Then the result will be
先生は元気で優しいです。
this means that my teacher is healthy and kind. Another example would be
兄は暇で、姉は忙しいです。
this means that my brother is free and my sister is busy. Now let's go to
い形容詞、
or e adjectives. So the te form of an e adjective is used as a conjunction. E is usually replaced by kute. So an example would be
この花は赤いです。この花は小さいです。
when you want to combine these two sentences together, we get rid of e this and add kute instead. Then it will become
この花は赤くて小さいです。
this means that this flower is red and small. Another example would be
空は青くて広いです。
this means that the sky is blue and big.
なんで
ありがとうございます。
Thank you.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.